Hi everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to make an origami daisy duck. For this we need a regular piece of origami paper, a marker to draw the eyes, some double-sided tape to stick a ribbon on Daisy Duck's head. For instructions on how to make the ribbon, please follow the link on the screen or in the description below this video. If you like our video, please give us a like, share, and subscribe to our channel if you haven't already done it. Let's start. We'll start with the origami paper color side up, and we'll fold it in half diagonally. Crease, unfold, and now we're gonna fold it on the other diagonal, but we only need to make a small crease in the middle so that we know where the center is. Now we're gonna fold this corner, the right corner, to the center, crease, and fold it again. But again, we only need a small crease in the middle. Unfold. Now we bring the left corner to the center, and again we do a small crease in the middle. Now we bring this corner to this crease, not the middle, but the next crease we've just created, and fold. And we're gonna bring this corner to this crease, the crease we made before. Okay, now we're gonna bring the top corner here. And crease. And it looks like this. Turn the model over, and we're gonna fold this corner 3 times, about 7 millimeters. 1, 2, 3. Turn the model over again. We're gonna fold this edge about 5 millimeters. And do the same for this one. And now we'll fold this side all the way to here. And last, we're gonna fold the corners. Good. Now let's draw the eyes. And now use double-sided tape to stick the ribbon on the head. And that's it. I hope you found our video interesting, and if you did, please give us a like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Also, please take a look at the description below this video to find links to other fun origami models, and also to some interesting gift wrapping tutorials. Thanks for watching, see you next time!